Kodak Classic is a well-balanced and sophisticated fragrance that opens with a refreshing burst of citrus, blending bergamot, lemon lime, neroli and orange for an energetic and zesty introduction. Its heart reveals a rich combination of aromatic rosemary, spicy nutmeg, herbal coriander and elegant jasmine, adding depth and warmth. The fragrance settles into a grounding base of earthy moss, warm umber, woody cedar, sensual musk and sweet patchouli, creating a long-lasting and complex finish. Performance elements of Kodak Classic. Longevity. Moderate to long-lasting, typically lasting 8 to 12 hours. The citrusy top notes dissipate after 1 to 2 hours, allowing the rich heart and base notes to linger for the remainder of the day. Sillage. The fragrance projects a balanced sillage. Initially it radiates more strongly due to the fresh citrus and aromatic heart, but eventually settles into a pleasant aura that's noticeable by people close by without being overwhelming. Projection. Kodak Classic has a moderate projection, creating a balanced presence that can be detected without being too intense, making it ideal for various occasions. Versatility. It's highly versatile, suited for both casual and formal occasion. The fragrance's balanced blend of fresh, spicy, and woody notes makes it adaptable for day or evening wear. Season. Its versatile profile makes it suitable for all seasons. The fresh citrus top notes are great for spring and summer, while the warm and earthy base notes provide comfort in autumn and winter. Type. Kodak Classic is a citrus aromatic fragrance with a woody and spicy base. It features an invigorating citrus opening, a heart rich in herbs and spices, and a warm woody and musky finish. Style. The style of Kodak Classic is sophisticated and versatile, with a balanced blend of fresh and warm elements. It's ideal for those who enjoy a fragrance that can be worn in both professional and casual settings. Mood. The fragrance evokes confidence and sophistication. Its bright and fresh opening energize, while the deeper base notes convey a sense of calm and refinement. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.